Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a QR code in Canva quickly and for free. For that, first you need to open your browser and go to Canva. Log into your account if you are not already signed in. After that, click on the Create Design button. You can choose any design. For example, I'm choosing this flyer portrait A4. Next, you need to go to the left side panel, scroll it down, click on the app section. In the search bar, you need to write QR code. Press enter. And you will see that QR code generator app will appear. Click on this QR code. Now paste the link that you want your QR code to open. This can be a website URL, YouTube channel link, WhatsApp link, Facebook page link, or any other online link. For example, I'm pasting this. Now you need to click on the Generate Code button. Canva will automatically create your QR code within seconds. You can then resize the code, even you can move it. Make sure that the QR code is clearly visible. Once your design is complete, click on the Share button in the top right corner and select Download. Choose your preferred file format such as PNG or JPG. I'm going for the PNG and then click on Download button. And then it will be downloaded automatically in your wherever you want to download in your laptop. That's it. Your QR code is now ready to use. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.